Hey business owners, Marvelyn Brown here with Making It Remotely, and today we're going to be talking about print on demand. We're also going to be talking about Printify, which is one of the major print partners that you can use to start your print on demand business. Now let me just go over to the main page because there are a couple of things on here that I want to bring to your attention. So getting started with print on demand is 100% free. So you can set up your account. You don't have to pay any money. They give you access. When you set up the account, you're going to have access to over 900 high quality products, name brand products that you can use to put your designs on. And if you're looking at this little animation over here, it basically shows you all the different types of designs that you can put on products from A to Z. Whether you're putting your designs on apparel, or maybe you're using the service to design things for the home. It doesn't matter. You can sell these products in your shop and earn passive income. So the other great thing about Printify is that they sell worldwide. So you're not just limited to a specific geographic area. So now let's go over and let's get a really good grasp of what print on demand entails. So if you are on this page, this is basically, I just went to this top menu and clicked on how it works and then clicked on print on demand. There's a video over here that's it's about maybe 4 minutes. You can take a look at that. But I want to just draw your attention to the definition that they have here. So print on demand is a fulfillment process that drop ships products to customers only after a sale goes through. This means that the merchandise will never require management, storage, or protection. So what that means is you don't have to be, as a business owner, you don't have to be responsible for going out, buying a bunch of inventory, printing up products, and then, running the risk of those products not selling. All the risk is taken out of this process because the products are only shipped out when someone buys. So this enables you to only sell products when people are buying. And that means that if someone buys a product and maybe for whatever reason their their payment doesn't go through, then that product is not going to ship out. And that really helps to eliminate a lot of the risk for you. And the great thing about it as well is that once you have a steady stream of customers and people that you are working with on a regular basis, they're going to get used to your brand. They're going to get used to working with you. And if you give your ideal customers a great shopping experience, they will come back to you again and again. And so it's very important for, as a business owner, that you map out a really good customer journey. And that is really the thing that you're going to be responsible for. Creating products that meet the needs of your ideal customers, putting your designs on these products, uploading them to your shop, selling them, and then once those products sell, your print partner, which in this case is Printify, is going to take it from there. So this is basically how it works. Now let's go up here and we're also going to look at how Printify works. So when you look at how Printify works, this is their basic process. And part of this is going to be, your process, and then it kind of transitions over to Printify's process. So it starts out where you select from over 800 products. I think they have over 900 products now, but you choose your blank products that you are going to sell. So let's say that you're into health and wellness and you want to help people learn the process and, become really good at yoga. So Printify sells yoga mats, right? And so you are going to sell yoga mats in your shop. You're going to have a shop that specializes in yoga. So you may choose a yoga mat, you may choose candles, you may choose an outfit, maybe some leggings and maybe a sports bra or t-shirt or something that someone can wear when they're doing yoga, and you're going to sell these in your yoga shop. So then you select the products that you want to sell. You create a cute little design that has to do with yoga, and you put that file, you upload the file, and then you put it onto the product using Printify's system that includes a mock-up generator. So all of this, is Printify. They have the products, they give you access to their system, you have a mock-up generator, and all of that is through their system. Once you have your product, designed the way that you want it, then you are going to connect your Printify system with your shop. So let's say that you have an Etsy store or you have a WooCommerce store or a Shopify store. You're going to connect Printify to those platforms, and you're going to hit the publish button and upload those products to your platform. So then that's when it becomes, this is when your business kicks in, and this is where your business process kicks in. And then once you are able to publish the product into your shop, then you're going to be promoting it. You're going to promote that product. And when you sell that product, then that is where you're going to be able to make your profit. So that is pretty much how it works. And when you sell the product, that order automatically goes back into that Printify system. Printify will print that order and ship it out to your customer. So Printify does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You publish into your shop, you promote your designs, you make your designs, but then Printify does the rest. Okay? So that's basically how all of this works. So now, if you're interested in working with Printify, let me just take you over to their catalog really quickly, just so that you can see some of the different types of products that they have to offer. Now, this is not an all-inclusive list, but this shows you some of the things that you can sell. You can sell, things for your home, like blankets and wall hangings and tumblers, mugs, things like that. You can sell apparel and lots of different apparel items, whether you are looking for things for the summer or the fall or the winter or the spring. They have tons of different apparel items. So this is basically what you want to do if you're interested in having a business that you can start basically for free. So now let me take you over. We're going to show you how to get signed up. So if you are new to Printify, you want to sign up using this green button right here. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it's really easy to get signed up. So if you have a Gmail account, you can click on this button that says continue with Google. Once you click on that button, it's going to take you to your Gmail account. You're going to log in, and then bam, you're all ready to go. Now, if you don't want to use your Google account, you can also enter another email here, and then you want to think about a password that is secure, but also one that you're going to remember. And then you want to click on this checkbox that says that you're not a robot. And then once you do that, you click on sign up and you are good to go. And it's a very straightforward, very easy process. So then once you do that, once you are all signed up, then you can head over, and I'm going to pause just for a moment and take you over so that you can see what your back end is going to look like, your dashboard is going to look like. So just one moment. Okay, so once you get logged in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You're going to see your shop right here. And as you can see, we use WooCommerce. So that is the platform that we use, but there are a number of different platforms that you can use with Printify. And let me just show you a few of those really quickly. So it integrates with Etsy, Walmart, eBay, TikTok, Shopify. There are some other ones here, Wix, Squarespace. I think I already said WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop. So those are the platforms that you can use to integrate with Printify, so that when you hit that publish button, these platforms automatically integrate with your Printify account, and you don't have to do anything other than hit that publish button, and then those items will be uploaded to your shops, your various shops. Okay, so now let me go back to the dashboard. There is one more thing that I want to show you, and that is, once you get your account set up, you want to click on Store Settings, and you want to fill in all of the information. So you want to go across this entire menu. You want to go to, once you click on your, or enter rather, I'm sorry. Once you enter your store name and your store URL, then you want to also click on the ship from address and get that filled out. You want to do your order settings. You want to get that filled out. And then there is a Printify Connect that if you decide that you want to go with Printify Premium, you can set that up. If you're not with Printify Premium, then you don't have to worry about that. And then there's also branding. So Printify will ship, in each order, they will place a product insert. These product inserts are, in my opinion, like gold, because you can put all kinds of different information on there. You can offer specials. You can give people product discounts. You can put a link to your, maybe if you're on, let's say you're on Etsy, you can put a link to your, your own website. If you have your own website, you could put that on an insert. There are a number of different things that you can use these inserts for that will help your business to grow. So you definitely want to check all of that out, but this is the Store Settings tab. So you definitely want to check that out once you get your account set up, and then you're going to be good to go. And then once you do that, you start kind of checking out the catalog and some of the things that you might want to sell. So that is pretty much it for this this video. And this is, this is giving you a pretty good overview of Printify and what you can do to start earning passive income with a print-on-demand shop. And if you want to learn more about print-on-demand, you can join our print-on-demand community by heading over to makingitremotely.com/POD. And that is going to enable you to sign up. We dig a lot deeper. We give you lots of great tools, resources, and marketing strategies that you can use to start and grow a print-on-demand business. So thanks again for hanging out, and I will see you on the next video.